Welcome back to a very short update. What we are playing with today is the gate signals, because we really wanted to add some LEDs so we can see what is going on in the timing when we're working with this unit and setting up the different timing for the different tones and stuff. It is a big help to see what is going on and where you are. So I found the signals here on the diodes. So that will be the selector diode for this voltage row, and this select a negative voltage on all those pot meters. And you see this will be the output wire that is taking also a diode to the output of this pot meter. So that is how it works. And we're going to add a little transistor circuit, some PNP transistors from 24 volts, and then we're going to add the LEDs all the way up here at the top plate. We're going to take this out and drill some holes, and we also found some extra pins on those connectors, so it will be super easy for us to add this functionality.
Det er fandme sjovt at høre de der bånd, det glæder mig til.
Yeah, so Klaus is doing the measurements for the LEDs, and this is going to be super straight. This is going to be very visible, and I'm challenging him to do this perfect, right?
No pressure.
No pressure. But look at this, guys, what happened today. I think this is a breakthrough. This tape is a tape from this machine. Some 50 years ago they recorded this tape, and this is a high 8 videotape, also for some demonstrations or some demo tape from this particular school where this machine is located. So hopefully we'll got audio and video to present once we find player for this tape. So this is one of the timing modules, and this is 5 and 10 milliseconds and so forth. Look how they have calibrated the values with different capacitors, and then of course trimmers for fine adjustments. This is really beautiful, and that will be the transistors for this triggerable timer, and this is the output that goes via this transistor. So they played a little bit with some connections, and they didn't want to redesign or respin this board, so I'm not super happy with those flying resistors like this on all the modules, so I'm going to clean this up a little bit so it looks a little bit smarter. And now it is nice and beautiful with the resistors that was hanging out. We removed all the pots here on the side that's got no real function, and also we're looking at all the scales. The text is unreadable and they're different, some of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some of the different ones, we're going to scan them, and we're going to redraw the text. So it's going to look really nice and easy to see how many dBs and how many, what frequencies and whatnot. It's going to look just as nice as the timing. So this is the lead lag parameters for the filter, and this is of course the timing for this particular sound. And this is the plan. The synthesizer is going home to my home lab for further investigations. This is some external filter and stuff that we don't want to have anyway, so I need to remove those two coax cables. I mounted a little marking here so I know where it is. See, there's a little green dot here, so now I can remove those coax cables. But then I'm going to find the missing voice. There is a sound that is not coming out of this thing. And where is it? We're going to find out, aren't we? Wow, look at all that stuff. The synthesizer is up next. Oh, I hope I can make this sing.